Hey guys, this is Rob for Rob's Guitar School, and welcome to another one of our quick riffs. Quick riffs. And so what we're doing here is I'm showing a awesome riff from iconic songs. So this week, or for this lesson, we are doing the main riff in Carry On Wayward Son by Kansas. And there's 8 million awesome riffs in that one, but we're just going to focus on the first one right now. Once again, it goes. Okay, so our strings are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the bottom to the top. And what we're going to be using is our third and first finger here. We're going to be on string 6. And we're going to go 5, 3, 5. So 5, 3, 5. And if you haven't started to develop this technique with your right hand, try to alternate with your picking. Don't just do straight down. That's going to slow you down in the long run and your development on guitar. So always try to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, our next note here is going to be at the on string 5 at the 3rd fret. So then we're going to do this on string 6. We're going to do the 5, 3, 5 again. This time we're going to move our 3rd finger down to string 5 at the 5th fret. So we have. Now from here we're going to do a fun I love to do. This is called a slide here. We're going to slide from the 5th fret to the 7th fret. So what we're doing here for you who are new to slides is we are picking the note at the 5th fret, and then while holding the string down so it continues to ring, we are sliding up to the 7th fret. I'll do it slow. But obviously this is kind of going fast so you don't hear. So that's what it is. So once again, hold the finger down so when you arrive at your target fret, the string will still be ringing. Okay, so we have. Okay, now we're going to go. We're going to hit on string 4 at the 5th fret with our first finger. So okay, now we're going to go. Okay, what we're going to do here is on string 5. Oh, it's a 7-string guitar. No, it's a 5-string guitar. We're at the 7th fret with my 3rd finger. Then I'm going to go on the 5th fret of string 5. Now I'm going to move my first finger down to the 3rd fret. So that's like this. So like 3 blind mice, 3 blind. But it's that's how fast it is. Down, up, and also with our picking, down, up, down. So this is what we have so far. For the last part, the pièce de résistance, eh? Oui, oui, yes. Okay, we're gonna go the 5th fret of string 5 to the 3rd fret of string 6, and then back to that 5th fret of string 5 to the 2nd fret of string 6. I think I might use my pinky on that 5th fret of string 5. So we have. Okay, so I'll play it slow and then I'll play it at tempo, the whole thing. Okay, then at tempo. You can see I also added just a little bit of vibrato there. Those are kind of like little tiny mini bends. It's a great stylistic thing that you can do. Just hold the string down and pull the string just a little bit. Okay, anyway, so that closes up with our riff here, but I want to give you a great tip to help you learn guitar on YouTube. So if things are going too fast for you when you do a lesson, what you can do is you can click in the bottom right of your YouTube screen, and there's a cog icon. If you click on that, you can slow the speed of the video down to like 75% or 50%, or you can even customize it. I use usually 75 or 50, where you can slow down the video without lowering the pitch, so it doesn't go, you know, so it slows it down, but it's still is still in tune, which is a great tool. So I highly recommend using that on this video here or any video you learn on YouTube. Furthermore, one last thing, if you are interested in a free lesson from one of our awesome guitar instructors at Rob's Guitar School, there is a link in the description below where you can set up a free lesson with us. So what happens during the free lesson? Well, during the free lesson, that instructor will learn your goals on guitar and teach you something right away to help you out with those goals. And if you decide to continue lessons with us, you get 20% off your first month's tuition, which is a great deal. And you have nothing to lose. If you took the lesson and you don't really want to continue lessons with us, that's fine. You learned something. And we're all about helping you learn and grow and having fun and learning fast. So take us up on it, all right? So anyways, we'll see you around for our next quick riff, or one of our in-depth videos where we learn a song all the way through exactly as it is played. So we also have, we have lots of stuff here. We also have some easy beginner versions of some more complicated songs as well. So, all right, well anyways, check it out, and we'll see you next time here on at Rob's Guitar School. And I'm Rob, signing out.